Question 8. 12 milliliter of a gaseous hydrocarbon was exploded with 50 milliliter of oxygen. The volume measured after explosion was 32 milliliter. After treatment with KOH, the volume diminished to 8 milliliter. Determine the formula of the hydrocarbon. Let the formula of the hydrocarbon be CxHy. This, when reacts with oxygen, forms carbon dioxide and H2O. The volume of a hydrocarbon taken is 12 milliliter. Volume of oxygen taken is 50 milliliter. Now after the reaction, the hydrocarbon changes into carbon dioxide and water vapor is formed. But this water vapor condenses to liquid water and its volume becomes negligible. So after the reaction, the gases present are oxygen and carbon dioxide gas whose total volume is 32 milliliter. As KOH absorbs only carbon dioxide, so after treatment with KOH, the entire carbon dioxide is absorbed and only oxygen gas remains. So the oxygen gas which is remaining is 8 milliliter, and out of 32 milliliter, 8 milliliter oxygen gas is remaining and rest of it is carbon dioxide. Therefore, volume of carbon dioxide formed is 32 milliliters minus 8 milliliter, which is equal to 24 milliliter. Now volume of oxygen used up in the reaction is initial volume of oxygen, that is 50 milliliter, minus volume of oxygen which did not take part in the reaction, that is 8 milliliter, and this is equal to 42 milliliter. Now in gaseous reaction, under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, the relative volume of reactant and product represent the relative number of moles. Now applying principle of atom conservation on carbon atoms, we can write X into moles of CxHy is equal to 1 into moles of CO2. Now, since the relative volume also represent the relative number of moles, therefore we can write X into 12 is equal to 24. Therefore, X is equal to 24 divided by 12, which is equal to 2. Now applying principle of atom conservation on oxygen atoms, we can write 2 into moles of oxygen is equal to 2 into moles of CO2 plus 1 into moles of H2O. This is equal to 2 into 42, which is equal to 2 into 24 plus moles of H2O. Therefore, moles of H2O is equal to 84 minus 48, which is equal to 36 moles. Now applying principle of atom conservation on hydrogen atoms, we can write Y into moles of CxHy is equal to 2 into moles of H2O. Therefore, Y is equal to 2 into 36 divided by 12, which is equal to 6. Therefore, the formula of the hydrocarbon is C2H6.